In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a job board on Squarespace. If you're looking to enhance your website by incorporating job listings, this tutorial is precisely what you need. We'll take it step by step to ensure you feel confident in embedding this feature onto your site. First, head over to Common Ninja, which is a great platform for creating various widgets for your site. Once you're there, look for the Widgets Plus option located on the website menu. This section is your starting point for creating a wide range of useful widgets that can integrate seamlessly into your website. Next, in the search bar provided, type in Job Listing. This will help you filter through numerous widget options and quickly bring up selections relevant to job boards. You'll then see the Job Listings widget appear in the results. Click on it to proceed to the detailed options for configuring and customizing a job board. Now, with the Job Listings widget page open, you'll want to click on the Create Jobs Listings button. This action directs you into the customization interface where you can tailor job listings specifically to suit the style and needs of your website. Once you've made your desired adjustments, click on Publish to make it ready for use. After publishing, make sure to click on Save Widget. This step is crucial as it stores your job listings in your account. You will also be prompted to select a folder where you'd like this widget saved. Choose appropriately, especially if you have multiple projects, to keep everything organized. Click Save Changes to confirm everything is stored correctly. With all your settings saved, you can now click on Copy Code to grab the embed code for your newly created job board. This code is what you'll place in your Squarespace site to make the job board visible to your visitors. The next stage is to integrate this code into your Squarespace website. Go to your Squarespace editor and click on Add Block within the section of your page where you want the job board to appear. From the block options, select Embed as this will allow you to insert custom code. In the Embed block, click on Edit and then on the option labeled Code Snippet. Now you're almost there. Click on Embed Data, which enables you to paste the code you previously copied from Common Ninja. Paste your embed code into the space provided. Once the code is in place, click on Save to finalize the integration. Congratulations! Your job board is now live on your Squarespace website, and you can easily manage job listings directly from Common Ninja. This feature not only enhances functionality, but also offers potential employers and job seekers a valuable resource on your platform. Thank you for watching, and enjoy building out your site.